By 2026, AI could automate up to 70% of everyday work tasks. That's not speculation. It's projection backed by the people building the systems themselves. This isn't about the future. It's about the present speeding up. So today we're breaking down 8 new technology trends that will define 2026, from brain-controlled interfaces to AI agents that think for themselves. No hype, no guessing, just what's really unfolding right now. Let's dive in. Number 8, AR glasses replace screens. We've been hearing about augmented reality glasses for over a decade, but 2026 might finally be the year they become useful. Apple's Vision Pro kicked it off, and now Meta, Samsung, and XReal are racing to build glasses that overlay text messages, navigation arrows, and even live translations directly in your field of vision. Soon you won't open your phone. You'll just look and interact. And with AI predicting what you need next, the screen in your pocket might finally become obsolete. Number 7, AI in healthcare. Gets personal AI isn't just diagnosing, it's predicting. DeepMind's latest model can detect over 20 diseases from a simple retinal scan, often before symptoms appear. Hospitals are using similar systems to flag early signs of sepsis or heart risk hours in advance. And now personalized treatment plans, from cancer therapies to mental health monitoring, are being tuned by algorithms built on your unique biology. For the first time, healthcare is moving from reactive to predictive. Number 6, Edge AI chips everywhere. Every device you buy next year will have its own mini AI brain. Apple's M4 and Qualcomm's Snapdragon X Elite already process language, images, and voice recognition locally. No cloud needed. That means instant translation, offline processing, and smarter assistants that don't need to call home to think. 2026 marks the real start of Edge AI, where intelligence lives on the device, not somewhere in a data center. Number 5, AI-powered home assistants. Remember when smart speakers only played music? Now they move. Amazon's Astro is quietly evolving from a gimmick into a home patrol and elder care assistant. In China, humanoid reception robots already greet customers and hand out brochures. And behind the scenes, Apple's rumored J595 robot could soon follow your gaze during video calls. Smart homes aren't about lights and thermostats anymore. They're becoming aware. Number 4, humanoid robots go commercial. They walk, they lift, they work. Tesla's Optimus, Figure 01, and Agility Robotics Digit are already performing factory and logistics tasks that once required humans. BMW is even integrating humanoid robots directly into production lines. And by 2026, the cost of one could drop below that of a small car. Robots aren't just entering the workplace, they're staying. Number 3, AI agents that work for you. This might be the most underrated revolution happening right now. AI agents no longer just respond. They act, they plan, execute, and deliver results without human input. Take Devon, the AI software engineer from Cognition Labs. It builds and deploys complete apps autonomously. Meanwhile, AutoGPT-style agents are managing onboarding, organizing data, and even handling client responses. In 2026, you won't just chat with AI, you'll delegate work to it. Number 2, generative AI becomes default. By 2026, most of what you read, hear, or watch will have been touched by AI. From articles and ads to movies and songs, AI tools like Runway ML, Firefly, and 11 Labs are now part of the creative chain. The difference? The best creators will be those who learn to blend human creativity with machine precision. Generative AI won't replace creators. It'll replace those who refuse to adapt. Number 1, the rise of brain-computer interfaces. And now for the one that sounds like sci-fi, but it's already here. Neuralink has implanted its first human chip, allowing users to control a cursor just by thinking. Companies like Synchron and Precision Neuroscience are restoring mobility to patients with paralysis using thought-based control. By 2026, early versions of consumer BCI devices may begin to appear, starting a new era where thought and technology merge. This isn't the future, this is version 1. These aren't predictions. They're the present evolving in real time. 2026 won't introduce new technology. It'll expose who's ready for it. From AI that learns your habits to machines that understand emotion, the world isn't waiting for permission to change. So if you want to stay ahead, not just watch what's coming, make sure you're subscribed, because every week we uncover what's next in the AI revolution before the world even realizes it's begun. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.